What is the average volume of blood in the human body? The right option is option C, 4 to 6 liters. What is the main component of plasma? The right option is option B, water. Which blood cells are responsible for oxygen transport? The right option is option C, RBC. Which of the following is not a formed element of blood? The right option is option D, plasma. Hemoglobin binds to which molecule to transport oxygen? The right option is option B, iron. Which type of white blood cell is most abundant? The right option is option B, neutrophils. Platelets are responsible for. The right option is option C, blood clotting. What is the normal lifespan of a red blood cell? The right option is option D, 120 days. Which organ removes old and damaged red blood cells? The right option is option C, spleen. Which blood group is a universal donor? The right option is option D, O. Which component gives blood its red color? The right option is option C, hemoglobin. The pH of human blood is approximately. The right option is option C, 7.4. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? The right option is option D, vitamin K. Leukocytes are involved in. The right option is option C, immune response. Which plasma protein helps in maintaining osmotic pressure? The right option is option B, albumin. Which blood group is known as the universal recipient? The right option is option C, AB. Red blood cells are produced in the. The right option is option C, bone marrow. Which of the following is not a granulocyte? The right option is option D, lymphocyte. The process of blood cell formation is called. The right option is option C, hematopoiesis. Fibrinogen is converted into fibrin during. The right option is option A, clot formation. Which hormone stimulates RBC production? The right option is option B, erythropoietin. Which iron is necessary for blood clotting? The right option is option C, calcium. Which white blood cells produce antibodies? The right option is option C, B lymphocytes. Which condition results from a low red blood cell count? The right option is option C, anemia. Rh pictor is a type of. The right option is option B, protein. Blood is classified as A. The right option is option B, connective tissue. Plasma means clotting factors is called. The right option is option A, serum. Which blood component fights infection? The right option is option D, white blood cells. Which cell fragments help in clotting? The right option is option A, platelets. What percentage of blood is plasma? The right option is option C, 55%. Which organ produces most of the plasma? The right option is option B, liver. What is the primary function of hemoglobin? The right option is option C, oxygen transport. The ABO blood group system is based on. The right option is option C, antigens on RBC. Which WBC is responsible for allergic responses? The right option is option B, basophils. What is the function of lymphocytes? The right option is option C, produce antibodies. Which of the following is the smallest blood cell? The right option is option C, platelet. Blood plasma does not contain. The right option is option C, red blood cells. The destruction of red blood cells is termed. The right option is option C, hemolysis. An increase in white blood cell count is called. The right option is option B, leukocytosis. What happens if a person receives an incompatible blood transfusion? The right option is option C, agglutination and possible death.